Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English. In this video, we are going to learn sentences which are related to position. It means by watching this video, you will get to know how to explain or describe the position of someone. Okay, in this video, I will speak out one Hindi sentence, then I will translate it into English one by one, and at the end of the video, I will speak out all the Hindi sentence for you to practice by yourself at home. If you want to improve your English, then you can do the same. It doesn't matter whether you know about English grammars or not. Let me explain it a little more. If you are someone who doesn't know English grammar, can memorize these sentences and use it in his daily life. But if you are someone knows who knows English grammar, can practice these sentences to make a better command on the concept. So let's dive into the video. We have the first sentence, तुम मेरे दाईं ओर हो. How will you translate this sentence? तुम मेरे दाईं ओर हो. We will say you are right to me. Okay? You are right to me. You are right to me. दाईं ओर right to me. मेरे दाईं ओर right to me. तुम्हारे दाईं ओर you right to you. Okay? या फिर हम कह सकते हैं you are to the right of me. You are to the right of me. You are to the right of me. Okay? क्या राम तुम्हारे सामने था? Was Ram in front of you? Was Ram in front of you? Was Ram in front of you? Okay. मैं उसके आगे खड़ा था. मैं उसके आगे खड़ा था. Okay. I was standing ahead of him. I was standing ahead of him. Okay. Ahead of him. राम के आगे कितने लोग हैं? राम के आगे कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there ahead of Ram? How many people are there ahead of Ram? How many people are there ahead of Ram? Okay. बच्चों के ठीक सामने अध्यापक खड़े हैं. बच्चों के ठीक सामने अध्यापक खड़े हैं. Teacher, we will say, teacher is standing just in front of the students. Teacher is standing just in front of the students. Okay. Teacher is standing just in front of the students. तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कौन है? तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कौन है? Who is left to you? Who is left to you? Or who is there to the left of you? Who is there to the left to the left of you? Who is there to the left of you? Or we can say who is to the left of you. Okay. Now let me translate the another one. मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर सीता बैठी है. मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर सीता बैठी है. How will you translate this? मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर सीता बैठी है. सीता is sitting. सीता बैठी है. Okay. सीता is sitting. मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर. क्या कहोगे? We will say Sita is sitting immediate right to me. Sita is sitting immediate, okay, immediate right to me. Sita is sitting immediate right to me. Okay. तो बगल में दाईं ओर को कहेंगे immediate right to. अगर बगल में बाईं ओर कहना है तो कहेंगे immediate left to. Okay. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. I was what? I was behind you. I was behind you. I was behind you. I was behind you. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. ओके. मैं पोजीशन बता रहा हूं अपना. मैं तुम्हारे या फिर आपके पीछे था. सो यू कैन से आई वॉज बिहाइंड यू. आई वॉज बिहाइंड यू. ओके. उसके पीछे कितने लोग खड़े हैं? उसके पीछे कितने लोग खड़े हैं? हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर स्टैंडिंग behind him? How many people are there standing 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 behind him? Okay, we are asking questions, so we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. राम एक कोने में बैठा है. राम एक कोने में बैठा है. राम is sitting in a corner. Ram is sitting, okay, in a corner. Ram is sitting in a corner. मेरे बाईं ओर एक कोई लड़का नहीं था. मेरे बाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं था. There was no boy. Okay. There was no boy There was no boy in my left. Okay. There was no boy in my left. Or we can say there was no boy to the left of me. There was no boy to the left of me. Or we can say there, let me write it here. There was no boy to there was there was no boy, okay, left to me. Left to me. Okay. So these are the different ways of making this sentence. Okay. You can use it. Okay, you can use any of them. Okay. राहुल मेरे ठीक सामने था क्या? राहुल मेरे ठीक सामने था क्या? Was Rahul exactly in front of me? Was Rahul was Rahul exactly in front of me? Okay. Was Rahul exactly in front of me? Or we can say what what can we say? Okay, this is the right one. Okay. Otherwise, I was thinking to putting just over here. So this is the right one. Okay, you can use it. Was Rahul exactly in front of me? Okay. मेरे घर के सामने तुम्हारा घर है. मेरे घर के सामने तुम्हारा घर है. My house is in front of your house. My house is in front of your house. Your house. My house is in front of your house, or we can say my house is in front of yours. Okay, yours. Okay, your house की जगह हम कह सकते हैं yours. Now let me translate the another one. मेरे मेरे मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक आगे वाला है. मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक आगे वाला है. ठीक आगे वाला. My house is just ahead of yours. Just ahead of yours. Okay, my house is just ahead of yours. मेरा घर, okay, मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक पीछे वाला है. My house is my house is just before, okay, just before yours. My house is just before yours. पीछे वाला just before yours. ठीक पीछे वाला just before yours. Okay, पीछे वाला before yours. ठीक पीछे वाला just before yours. So keep it there in your mind. Okay. रोहित के दाईं ओर कितने लोग हैं? रोहित के दाईं ओर कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? Right to Rohit. How many people are there are there right to Rohit? How many people are there right to Rohit? Or we can say how many people are there to the right of Rohit? Okay, right to or to the right of. Okay, let me write it here. Right is equal to the right of, to the right of. Okay, so keep it there in your mind. ओके, सीता के बाईं ओर कितने लड़के हैं? सीता के बाईं ओर कितने लड़के हैं? हाउ मैनी boys are there? Boys are there? How many boys are there left to Sita? Left to Sita. How many boys are there left to Sita? Or we can say how many boys are there to the left of Sita. Okay. मेरे दाईं ओर कोई नहीं है. मेरे दाईं ओर कोई नहीं है. There is no one right to me. There is no one. There is no one. There is no one right to me. Or we can say there is no one to the right of me. Both are correct. Okay. You can use any of them. Okay. क्या तुम्हारे दाईं ओर कोई है? क्या तुम्हारे दाईं ओर कोई है? Is there someone right to you? Is there someone right to you? Is there someone right to you? Or we can say, is there someone to the right of you? Okay. Is there someone to the right of you? Okay. Now let me translate the another one. क्या तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कोई नहीं है? क्या तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कोई नहीं है? Is there no one? Is there no one? Is there no one to the left of you? To the left of you. Okay. Is there no one to the left of you? Or we can say, is there no one left to you? Is there no one to the left of you? Is there no one to the, or is there no one left to you? Okay. This is a question. So we will put a question mark. क्या तुम्हारे आगे कोई है? Is there someone ahead of you? 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 Okay. क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई है? Is there someone behind you? Is there someone behind you? Is there someone behind you? Okay. क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई नहीं है? Is there no one behind you? 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 ओके, क्या तुम्हारे सामने कोई है? इज द समवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू? इज द समवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू? इज देयर समवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू? Is there someone in front of you? Is there someone in front of you? Okay. Is there someone in front of you? क्या तुम्हारे बगल में कोई है? Is there someone next to you? Is there someone next to you? Is there someone next to you? Or we can say, is there someone beside you? Is there someone beside you? Or we can say, is there someone adjacent you? Is there someone adjacent? Okay, adjacent you. Is there someone adjacent you? Is there someone adjacent you? Okay. Now let me translate the another one. हम बाईं ओर खड़े थे. Okay. हम बाईं ओर खड़े थे. We were standing. हम खड़े थे बाईं ओर, on the left. We were standing on the left. हम दाईं ओर खड़े थे. We were standing on the right. 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 Okay. सीता क्लास में अकेली थी. सीता was alone in the class. Okay. Sita was alone in the class. सीता was alone in the class. सीता क्लास में अकेली थी. ठीक है. राम वहां पर नहीं था. राम वहां पर नहीं था. राम wasn't there. राम wasn't there. Was not को wasn't. राम wasn't there. दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है. दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है. दिल्ली इज इन द नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. ओके. दिल्ली इज इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. दिल्ली इज इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. ओके. सिंपली से इन नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. केरल भारत के दक्षिण में है. केरला इज इन साउथ ऑफ इंडिया. केरला. ओके. केरला is in south of India. Kerala is in south of India. Kerala is in south of India. Okay. बंगाल भारत के पूर्व में है. Bengal is in east of India. Bengal is in east of India. Bengal is in east of India. Okay. उसके सामने कौन था? Who was there in front of him? Who was there in front of him? Who was there in front of him. Who was there in front of him? Who was there in front of him? Okay. Who was there in front of him? Okay. If she is a girl, okay. If then we can put it here her. Okay. Who was there in front of her? Okay. सो नाउ आगे मेरे आगे लाइन में तीन लोग खड़े थे मेरे आगे लाइन में तीन लोग खड़े थे सो वी विल से देयर वर थ्री पीपल स्टैंडिंग ahead of me in the queue sitting standing ahead of me in the queue. There were three people standing ahead of me in the queue. Okay. There were three people standing ahead of me in the queue. राम के आगे दो आदमी थे. There were two men ahead of Ram. Okay. There were two men ahead of Ram. Ahead of Ram. There were two men ahead of Ram. Okay. मेरे पीछे लाइन में कितने थे? How many were there behind me in the queue? How many were there? How many were there behind me in the queue? Behind me, okay, in the queue. How many were there behind me in the queue? How many were there behind me in the queue? Okay. मेरे पीछे लाइन में कितने थे? मेरे जूते कमरे के एक कोने में पड़े थे. मेरे जूते कमरे के एक कोने में पड़े थे. My shoes, okay, मेरे जूते, my shoes were lying in a corner of the room. In a corner of the room. My shoes were lying in a corner of the room. Okay. तुम्हारे जूते के सामने वाले जूते मेरे हैं. The shoes beside yours is mine. 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 वो तुम्हारे किस तरफ है? Which side is he to you? 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 Okay. वो मेरे दाईं ओर है. He is to the right of me. He is to the right of me. Or we can say he is right to me. 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 Okay. So वो मेरे बाईं ओर है. क्या तो कह सकते हैं he is to the left of me or we can say he is left to me. Okay. दाईं ओर तो ठीक है पर वो क्या बगल में है. दाईं ओर तो ठीक है पर वो क्या वो पर वो क्या बगल में है? दाईं ओर। राइट साइड इज ओके। राइट साइड इज ओके। नहीं वो तो ठीक है। बट वो क्या बगल में है? बट इज ही इज ही इज ही adjacent? Okay. Is he adjacent, or we can say is he next to, or is he beside? Okay. हमारे बीच दो लड़कियां हैं. There are two girls between us. 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 Okay. सीता और गीता के बीच कितने हैं? सीता और गीता के बीच कितने हैं? How many are there? How many? How many are there? How many are there between Sita and Geeta? How many are there between Sita and Geeta? Okay. रोहन के बगल में कौन है? Who is beside रोहन? रोहन के बगल में कौन है? Who is beside रोहन? Who is beside रोहन? Who is beside रोहन? Or we can say who is next to रोहन? Or we can say who is adjacent रोहन? Okay. Or we can put there as well. How? Who is there beside Rohan? Who is there beside Rohan? Or who is there next to Rohan? Who is there adjacent Rohan? Okay. So there are several ways to make this sentence. सीता के बगल में कोई नहीं है. सीता के बगल में कोई नहीं है. Nobody is beside Sita. Okay. Nobody is beside Sita. Nobody is beside Sita. Okay. राम आगे है और मैं पीछे. Okay. We can say Ram is ahead of me. Ram is ahead of me. Ram आगे है और मैं पीछे. ठीक है. We can simply say Ram is ahead of me, or we can say I am behind Ram. I am behind Ram. That is also fine. Okay. तुम दाईं ओर थे. You were on the right. 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 Okay. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? कोई नहीं. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? कोई नहीं. Okay. Who is behind you? Who is behind you? None. Who is behind you? None. Or we can say, who is there behind you? None. Who is there behind you? None. Let me write it here. Who is there behind? Who is there behind you? None. Who is there behind you? None. Okay. So you can learn any of them. Okay. According to okay. According to your to yourself. Okay. So now let me move forward. मैं किस दिशा में हूँ? विच डायरेक्शन एम आई इन? विच डायरेक्शन एम आई इन? विच डायरेक्शन एम आई इन? Which direction am I in? Or we can say, in which direction am I? In which direction am I? Okay, but this is the best one. So use this one. Which direction am I in? Which direction am I in? तुम इस वक्त उत्तर की ओर जा रहे हो. तुम इस वक्त उत्तर की ओर जा रहे हो. You are going towards north. Okay. At the moment, you are going. You are going towards north. उत्तर की ओर जा रहे हो. Towards north. इस समय, at the moment. At the moment. You are going towards north at the moment, or we can say you are going towards north right now or right away. You are going towards north right away. So I have completed all the sentences. Now let me speak out all the Hindi sentences for you to practice these sentences by yourself at home. Okay, so here we go. तुम मेरे दाईं ओर हो. क्या राम मेरे सामने था? मैं उसके आगे खड़ा था. राम के आगे कितने लोग हैं? बच्चों के ठीक सामने अध्यापक खड़े हैं. तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कौन है? मेरे बगल में दाईं ओर सीता बैठी है. सीता के बगल में बाईं ओर एक लड़का है. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. उसके पीछे कितने लोग खड़े हैं? राम एक कोने में बैठा है. मेरे दाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं है. मेरे दाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं है. राहुल मेरे ठीक सामने था क्या? राहुल मेरे ठीक सामने था क्या? मेरे घर के सामने तुम्हारा घर है. मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक आगे वाला है. मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से ठीक पीछे वाला है. रोहित के दाईं ओर कितने लोग हैं? रोहित के दाईं ओर कितने लोग हैं? ओके. सीता के बाईं ओर कितने लड़के हैं? मेरे दाईं ओर कोई नहीं है. क्या तुम्हारे दाईं ओर कोई है? क्या तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कोई नहीं है? क्या तुम्हारे आगे कोई है? क्या तुम्हारे आगे कोई है? क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई नहीं है? क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई नहीं है? ओके. क्या तुम्हारे सामने कोई है? क्या तुम्हारे बगल में कोई है? हम बाईं ओर खड़े थे. हम बाईं ओर खड़े थे. हम दाईं ओर खड़े थे. सीता क्लास में अकेली थी. राम वहां पर नहीं था. दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है. केरला भारत के दक्षिण में है. बंगाल भारत के पूरब में है. उसके सामने कौन था? मेरे आगे लाइन में 3 लोग खड़े थे. राम के आगे 2 आदमी खड़े थे. राम के आगे 2 आदमी थे. ओके. मेरे पीछे लाइन में कितने थे? मेरे जूते कमरे के एक कोने में पड़े थे. तुम्हारे जूते के सामने वाले जूते मेरे हैं. वो तुम्हारे किस तरफ है? वो मेरे दाईं ओर है. दाईं ओर तो ठीक है, पर वो क्या बगल में है? पर वो क्या बगल में है? हमारे बीच दो लड़कियां हैं. हमारे बीच 2 लड़कियां हैं. सीता और गीता के बीच कितने हैं? सीता और गीता के बीच कितने हैं? रोहन के बगल में कौन है? सीता के बगल में कोई नहीं है. राम आगे है और मैं पीछे. तुम दाईं ओर थे. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? कोई नहीं. मैं किस दिशा में हूं? तुम इस वक्त उत्तर की ओर जा रहे हो. ओके. तो that is all. Keep learning and keep getting better. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay. Don't forget to be the part of this channel. Okay. So thank you so much.